Do you manage residential properties? Then you'll know that managing repairs and maintenance can often feel overwhelming as you deal constantly with endless admin, repetitive tasks, and compliance demands. With Fixflo, residents can report maintenance issues online in 40 different languages through a picture-based platform, or even resolve minor issues themselves with built-in guidance. The result? Fewer issues, fewer phone calls, fewer call-outs, and faster fixes. You'll be able to schedule and track planned maintenance and service events, empower contractors to manage their quotes, invoices, and certificates, and improve communication with residents, contractors, and other stakeholders, whilst providing a robust audit trail. Can't find reliable contractors? Want to get your evenings and weekends back and save money on unnecessary call-outs? With Fixflo's contractor marketplace, you'll have access to thousands of vetted, insured contractors ready to service your out-of-hours emergencies, everyday reactive issues, and recurring planned maintenance events. You can use Fixflo as a standalone solution or integrate it with your property management system to resolve issues in half the time, increase your management capacity by over 33%, and ultimately keep your customers and team happy. Whatever your residential portfolio looks like, Fixflo has a solution that fits your needs. Fixflo. We're fixing repairs and maintenance management.